I have 20 top questions for you right now. I will interview you, especially to a gay like you. May I know your name?
Let's just say my name is Mark.
My second question is, what age did you realize that you're feminist?
When I was in high school,
You're being feminist, it is adaptation or it's adaptation to our environment or it's a personal choice?
I could just say that it's my personal choice because even myself, I don't want to be of what I am now. It's really an environmental adaptation.
And why?
Yes, even I'm trying to hide it, but it's very difficult to hide.
Are your parents happy or accepted of what you are right now?
As of this moment, they are aware of who I am and what I am now. But I could not say that they are accepting me already because there is no time that they talk about me, about who am I.
Is there any discrimination that you hear from other people?
Yes, but nowadays, they see already the worth and the capability of a gay like me.
What are the things that hurt you when you heard people talking about you?
Yeah, it's gay.
Okay, about your family background,
My father was sick already and my mom has a second family and I'm living now with my grandmother and my brother.
are you in love with a guy now?
Yes,
How does it feel when you're in love with your same sex?
it's really awesome, especially if you understand of what you feel for him.
Are you having many friends like you again?
Yes, a lot of friends like you.
How they get comfort you when you have a problem?
They are with me in good and in bad times. They comforting me because they understand. They understand what I feel. Sometimes what I feel is the situation is they are also let's say feel that
How often do you go with them?
almost every day.
Do you feel that you really belong to a feminine group?
Yes, but I don't use cross cross dress.
Is there time you try to become masculine?
Yes, when the time I failed to my previous relationship.
Did you ever have a relation to a girl?
Yes.
How does it feel?
It feels nothing because I didn't feel that I'm happy with her.
Now, do you have boyfriend?
Yes, I am now committed to a child.
What do you prefer to have a married life? Is it as a boy or girl?
Of course, a boy. Yes.
If to a boy, how will you give a child to him someday?
Well, I'm preparing to adopt a child. That's the only way and the only thing that I can give him a child.
Okay. My last question is, are you happy being a gay?
Yeah, because in my skills as of this moment, it would not come out if I'm a masculine, because gays bloom like girls and gays always explore to have a good future.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. And, yeah, Eva.